Oh my! Look at that! Isn't that neat? Balloons for your birthday. I wonder if they'll lift you up. Look at that. Yeah. Ouch. Oh, I just got a splinter in my finger. Isn't that neat? You won't bite them, will you? Ooh.
Well, she gets the chance.
Yeah. Look at that. All those balloons. Isn't that cool? Look at them all. There they are. Wow. Lots and lots of balloons. Ah. Look how pretty you look today. Oh, you're pretty every day. But you got a little dress on today. Today's your birthday party. Yeah. Saturday, November 12th, 2011. Yay!
Stuck.
You are such a strong little girl. Those are so pretty, Claire. Aww. She really likes balloons, doesn't she?
Yeah.
She's dragging them with her. Aww. Alright, we'll take some more pictures later.